Hello there, this is Jackie Chiatti, Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel and Power BI. And in today's video, I just want to show a quick tip that I shared with members of my Intro to Excel class. And that is how to create bar charts in cells using conditional formatting. So what we have here is we have a list of values. Okay. And to create conditional formatting, you first need to select all of the cells that you're going to apply the formatting to, and then apply the formatting. So I'm going to use the handy shortcut, Control Shift down arrow, that selects everything in this column. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, I'm going to click Conditional Formatting and hover over Data Bars. And I'm going to choose Gradient Fill. What this does is it gives you bars, and the length of the bar is in relation, shows the relationship of this cell's values to all of the other cells in the series. So that's why you see this one is about half the width of this one. Okay. Now, the question came up is people love this feature, but they didn't particularly care for the fact that the numbers also showed up in the cell. To remove the numbers is pretty easy. All you have to do is go to Conditional Formatting again. This time, go to Manage Rules, select that rule, hit Edit Rule, and then in the Edit Formatting Rule dialog box, you'll see here next to format all cells based on etc. Just put a check mark next to show bar only and click OK and OK again. And so now all you're seeing are the bars. If you wanted to, for example, hide this column, now you will see their name and a bar that gives you an idea of how their sales, how each person's sales compares to the rest of, their cohort or the rest of their group. You can come here to the View menu, uncheck Grid Lines, and now that gives you a blank background, which makes this look a little bit better. So no sooner had I shown this to the students that they asked, well, what if you want both items? What if you want the numbers and you want the bars? So this is how you would do it. I'm going to go ahead and remove this conditional formatting. So I'm going to go to Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, click Clear Rules from Entire Sheet just to be on the safe side. You see it gives me back my numbers. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to set up another cell just to show the bars. And I do that by using a simple formula. Click the equal symbol, hit this cell, click enter, and now you have the same number in both columns. Whatever this number happens to be is going to be copied into this column. And now I'm going to use another handy dandy shortcut. Come to the bottom right hand corner, double click. That copies that formula on down and selects all of the cells at the same time. So then I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting, hover over Data Bars, create my data bars, go back, go into Manage Rules, select that rule, edit it, put a check mark next to Show Bar Only, click OK. And so now you have your number and your bars right next to each other. And if for some reason this number changes, the bar will automatically adjust. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, I would appreciate you leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.